Admonition 10. Wrath beyond measure produces estrangement and untimely kindness, destroys authority. Be neither so harsh as to disgust the people with thee, nor so mild as to embolden them. You be just. It's not just about being negative or positive, but severity and mildness together are best, like a bleeder who is a surgeon and also applies a salve. A wise man uses neither severity to excess nor mildness, for it lessens his authority. He neither exalts himself too much nor exposes himself at once to contempt. A youth said to his father, "O wise man, give me for instruction one advice, like an aged person." He said, "Be kind, but not to such a degree that a sharp-toothed wolf may become audacious." Now, whether it's a folk cure or whether it's modern medicine, you definitely want to regard that. Not just somebody recommending, hey, take this. Wait, it's more likely that I'm going to die if I take this. But there's a chance that it might work, but my chance of dying is 10 times as, you see cases that severe, 10, 20 times as much even dying as a side effect of some of these medications. And salves are the same thing. It's like petroleum's not good to put on your body. But people put petroleum on their body and all sorts of stuff. Oh, I saw on TikTok. It's like, oh, that's a sign that you shouldn't have done it. But don't go on TikTok. No, not Instagram. If you haven't been on there with your device, don't.